So in this surface, I've actually added contours, and if you look in the plan window, you see the characteristic bullseye of a bad elevation point. And what I need to do is figure out, you can see it both in the 3D and the plan, which point that is and what elevation should it be at. Now the contours are just causing problems. They're going to get in my way. If I try to select something, I'll be selecting contours every time. So I'm going to delete my contours. And I can select the feature here. I happen to be in the right spot, but if I wasn't, it's easy to select in the 3D view as well. So there, I've selected the bottom of that spike, and in plan it looks just fine. It's called a ditch left, and it looks like that one has the same feature name. It's also highlighted in pink. Okay, so there it is. There's my bad point. It's at elevation 0. If I move to the next point, it's 180.04. If I move back, there's 0 again. Back again, it's 179.97. So around 180 is where that point should be, but it's not. And I do see some other points there. So now I'm making stuff up. I don't really know what the surveyor did here, but I'm guessing that this point definitely should not be elevation 0. I can change the elevation manually in the coordinates dialog box. I could literally type an elevation in there and change the surveyor's point. The other thing I could do would be to find another point that looks right. How about this one? See, that's at elevation 180. I think that's the point that should have been the ditch line. So what I'm going to do is select the ditch line, edit this point, there it's captured, and snap it onto that point. It now has a reasonable elevation, and I fixed problem number 1. Okay, problem number 2 is over here. Just do it again. So select, it's elevation 0. There's a point. Is that the right one? 180.3, 0, 180.3. Hard to know. Let's see. That point there is 180.4. Maybe it's right. What's this one? 181. 181. Yeah, maybe it should be that point. Or maybe I should just delete this point. Just simply remove it. Oh, I noticed there were a couple of other points when I tried to select that. Let's see if we can do that again. Select this one. Select here. It's not doing it now. When there are multiple points in the same spot, you get a oh, there's a point there. What's that? There we go. There's 3 points there, and they're all at 180.4. 180.4. Why there's a triplet of points with the same elevation, I don't know, but I'm guessing that's the point I want to snap to. So I'm going to pick up this ditch and snap it to one of those points. They're all the same, doesn't matter. There we go, 180.4, and that seems reasonable because the next point is similar and the previous point is similar. But I am really just making stuff up. So now if I build the model, let's skip the contours. Those stray points disappear and I now have a reasonable surface. Okay, thanks for watching our Softree Terrain Tools video on bringing in DWG files and cleaning them up.